Hey, so it's Sunday. I've got work to do. This is now done. What up, YouTube? We are back. Another video here. This is a Samsung Tab. What is it again? Samsung Tab 8505 Tab M8, I think it is. Anyway, we've got YouTube downloading in the background, and the situation is this was effed up completely. So I used this piece of software to essentially flash the device, and once I flashed the device with the messed up software, we got ourselves an issue where it's locked. And I was like, God, this shit again, fuck. So yeah, that didn't work. So I tried a few different things. So what I'm doing right now, I am updating YouTube, because we've got some updates here. Because when you go into the device, and there's a lot of ways around it, I find that literally rather than changing language or doing some sort of email shit, you can quite easily go into the device from this little thing here. This is download still pending. Situation of the download. Everything else is there. All update is turned on. Let's just stop this and hit update. I just want that to update. It's annoying. Right, let's have a go back. Go back. Okay, so I'm in this part here. So we're gonna go back into here. So this is how it starts off. And then you've got your FRP, it's locked with FRP. Hit this thing here, click share, and then you'll get this message here. So you can go email from here, and then it says skip. And typically what you do, you can go in, there's numerous ways to get into this link. So you can go other, type in a random, whatever it might be, at mail.com. hit manual setup, and you don't have an exchange, so you can't go through and do whatever. Fuck the cargo. Okay, go back, and then from here you want to learn more about it. So here, learn more, you go to a YouTube support thing, hit that thing here, and you can go straight into a video here. And then you might encounter this bullshit thing, so you hit YouTube, update your app. So what you can do here, go back, okay, and then you can go YouTube and hit update, and then you can go scheduled update. You've got an update there, hit update, and then you can go to, and it's going to do an update here on the Google Play. When you cancel updates, and I can go in, I can go here, hit updates from here, and I can see what's going on here. So then you have this thing where all update, and then you can just hit update, and hopefully YouTube by itself updates, then you can get into it. Otherwise, what you could do is you can factory reset the device, make sure that you don't go through the whole update process, and you should be able to get into it. Or if not, you can actually skip this thing by using a mobile hotspot than a actual Wi-Fi connection, or you can just toggle the Wi-Fi on and off, and you can actually skip that screen. So I'm downloading the actual update right now, and I should be able to get into it pretty soon. Yeah, let's go back here. Shut up, YouTube. Hurry up, fuck up. This is annoying. So what I'm gonna do now, I might just go in and do a different way. Go back, and try a different method here. Here you go. Highlight text, all text will do really. Share, Gmail, skip, learn more about what the fuck is going on, a new layout BS they've got going on. Hit YouTube, and we're back in this. So that didn't work. Okay, let's try this again, and it's still scheduled for an update. How do I get past this now? What we're gonna do, we are gonna go ahead and turn it off, power off, and we're gonna put tablet in fast boot mode, hit the volume, hold the volume down, hit power button, goes into fast boot mode. You can try this thing out. Actually, this is a bit different. This is the a tech tool that I've gotten from Halab. So we don't have a Lenovo option up there, but just click Android fast boot, and you've got a few options here. You've got read info, so we're going to just hit read info and see if it does come up. Okay, this has failed. Okay, random to read info. Let's try this method, see if it does do anything. So let's reset the tablet. It says it's removing, FRP done, reboot done. I doubt this has worked, but if it's worked, this is pretty simple, and this is pretty cool. So we're gonna go ahead and do this. And try a few things. Let's say remove Lenovo FRP. If it doesn't work, we'll hit into fastboot and try that thing again and see if it works. And if it works, guys, go out there, download this thing. Give them this guy some props, because it's a lot simpler than that. Then just a second here. No, accept. Then you'd have it ready. Obviously not allowed in lock state, so I doubt it's worked. Don't copy. Waiting for updates. Okay, because we've got a pin, so we could, if you can get into it, change the pin, that'd be awesome. Let's just try something simple. Okay, too many quick attempts. Try again. Okay. Right, we tricked it into fucking this up. So we managed to get the Gmail thing. I opened it, disabled the Wi-Fi a few times, and it kept trying to open up Gmail. Couldn't open Gmail, and it opened up. This app is not responding. Click app info, and we are now into Chrome, and we should be able to open, and we can open Chrome. Ah, yes, it works. It works. Ah, yes. Okay, so we're gonna go to frpfile.com apk. Let's go, boy. Let's go. Boom, we are in. Yes. Success. Oh yeah, we tried resetting it to Lap Tech. I was getting non-stop calls time and time again. This wasn't working at all, so we decided to well, if you want to use the same trick as well, have another phone, use hotspot, and just keep disabling as soon as it tries to go to Gmail from the start. So keep disabling the hotspot, and it will just crash. For fuck's sake, we're getting calls. Okay, I'm gonna come back in a sec. Okay, so that's some pressing business there to sort out. Anyway, we are now on the site here. We've got a bunch of things we can do. We've got, what firmware was this thing? But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and see if we can set a lock screen. Okay, we're gonna do with was it pin or pattern? We'll do pattern. Yeah. No. We'll do an L. We'll do a next. We'll do another L to confirm. And skip that thing. We don't need body detection. So we've got a lock screen set. I'm not sure what else we can do. There's no point of us doing anything else on this thing, because I don't think this thing's got knock security. FRP stuff, we can always get back to this thing by crashing the thing and getting back to this thing. Why the hell not? You know what we'll do? We just go. Can do. Fuck it, man. Just. I can't really do much in it. Okay. Hopefully this works. Okay. So hopefully this works. Oh. Right. This is how I got to that thing. I got Chrome. So that was the permission thing. Went there and then search basically in the top for Chrome and in the app permissions. So that was the app there. Went into permissions. Oh shit. Permissions, and then from here just search for Chrome, and then as long as you got a search bar, you can search Chrome and it should just load up. So now back on the screen here. Hello, how you doing? Click next, go more, go accept, and hopefully we haven't got an L. And yeah, it works. So don't copy. Updates. Just a second. Checking information. Pattern. Checking it. I think it's worked. I think we are good. We are done with this stupid tablet. Skip. Oh, I love it. Love it when fucking the plan comes together. There you go. There. Just take my fucking information. Fuck these, Bundies. Why Lenovo? Why, man? God, these guys, man. Absolutely. Right. Getting tablet ready, and I think we are done. Okay, we are done. Skip. No, not part of your dumb experience. Hurry up. Alright. Gestures, yep. enter home screen. Boyo, 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 we are done. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, yes, baby, we are good. We have done it. No, thank you. Boom, 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 and we're done. This has been ace. This is the Android. This is on Android 10. This is the FRP. This is how I removed it. My own fucking workaround, I guess. I'm not sure anyone's actually done that, but yeah, just crash the app. Just crash it, and that way you can get into it. As always, like, subscribe, and hope you enjoyed this video. And ace out. Ace out.